Hey friends, on today's episode I'll be sharing a makeup hack. For those of y'all who are new to mascara or who know how to wear mascara, I'm sure this might be looking quite familiar. We all know why this happens. So how to not make this happen is what I'm going to share with you on today's hack. I'll be sharing 3 different tips and y'all can decide which one would work best for you. For hack number 1, you'll take the mascara, and initially when you use the mascara you need to move it well so that the dry particle gets off from the brush. Then taking a normal piece of paper from a sheet this length, or you could take a little smaller, or even if you'll have visiting cards, just hold it on that area where you'll need to apply mascara on whichever eye, and this is how it will look. Can you see the way the mascara has come on the paper? Yes, this will act as a guard against that mascara coming on your eyelid. The same goes on the lower eyelashes as well. This is how you will apply it. Simple hack, don't you think so? For hack number 2, you'll need tape, and on the place where you will be applying the mascara, just put the tape over that area. My eye looks stuck in this area and I don't really like the feeling. So this is basically how we will apply the mascara, and it felt quite okay when I used this method. This is what comes off with the tape itself. Now for the lower eyelid, you'll do the same thing. It worries me that it might just pull one of my eyelash. That's why I'm not really happy with this method. You can even use a band-aid or a sticky pad which you get for putting your eyeshadows. You can use that as well, and this is basically how it works. But for me this was an okay kind of method, and there we are done with this. The effect of it is not that great. Now for the number 3 method is by using a device. This is how it looks. That is to cover the portion where you will apply the mascara, and at the end of it you have a plastic brush to separate off your eyelashes which are stuck together because of the mascara. These are the size specifications of this product. In case if you all need to purchase this, the link is available in the description box which you all can click and get it from. Wasn't that a useful hack? I'm sure many of y'all will give it a try. And for those of y'all who know someone who is a mascara freak, who loves wearing mascara, then I sincerely request y'all to please forward this video to them because it will certainly be helpful to them. And for those of y'all who are new visitors to my channel or have come here before and have forgotten to click on the subscribe button, it's my request to please click on the subscribe button and the bell notification icon to get updates each and every time I post a new video. Friends, if y'all have any requests or suggestions, please feel free to send us an email, or y'all can even leave us a comment. So that's all on today's episode. Hope y'all have liked it, and I'll see you next time with another new hack on how